In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Torrentio and Real-Debrid with Stremio. To get started, open Stremio on your device. Make sure you're already logged in before moving on, since the add-on installation will need to connect directly to your account. Keeping Stremio open in the background can make the final confirmation step quicker and easier. Next, open your web browser and go to the Real-Debrid website. Once you're there, sign in to your account. This step is important because Torrentio will use Real-Debrid as the resolver service, which helps provide higher quality streaming links through your Stremio setup. After logging in, head to the My Devices section inside your Real-Debrid dashboard. This area is used for device-based authorization, and it will generate the temporary code you need to link the service. When you see the device authorization key on screen, copy it carefully. Since this is a temporary code, it's a good idea to use it right away so it doesn't expire before you finish the setup. Now open the Torrentio add-on configuration page in your browser. This is where you'll customize how the add-on works with Stremio. In the provider or resolver settings, choose Real-Debrid as the service you want to use. Selecting the correct provider here is essential because it tells Torrentio which premium source system to connect to. Once Real-Debrid is selected, find the field that asks for the authorization code and paste in the code you copied from the Real-Debrid website. Double-check that the full code has been pasted correctly with no missing characters or extra spaces. A small mistake here can prevent the connection from working properly. After that, click Install. This applies the configuration and generates the customized Torrentio add-on for your Stremio account. Depending on your browser and device, this may trigger a prompt asking to open Stremio. When the installation prompt appears inside Stremio, approve it to complete the add-on installation. This final confirmation is what actually adds Torrentio, with your Real-Debrid settings included, to your Stremio setup. Once everything is installed, test the setup by opening a movie or TV show in Stremio and checking the available sources. If the setup worked correctly, you should see Real-Debrid powered links among the results. That's a good sign that Torrentio and Real-Debrid are connected properly and ready to use. Thanks for watching.